Hello, good afternoon and a warm welcome to this short video on the CTA3PH current transducer for measuring utility currents coming into factories, banks, hospitals, shopping centres, all those kind of places where, for example, the management has decided that they want to look more carefully at the power usage in these environments, and often it requires kind of putting in a new metering system where we have a more intelligent kilowatt hour meter, a smart meter, for example. But in doing that in a shopping centre or somewhere like that, it's often, these devices or the main feeders coming into those environments can be several thousand amps. So what happens, a Rogowski coil current sensor like this is needed. This is one that Powertek manufactures, and the signal comes out here nice and safe, but at a nice small voltage, and there is no open circuit voltage to worry about. So this means that if you are tasked for doing some retrospective metering where they want to really home in on energy usage in a bank, for example, or an office block or a factory, the process of adding this metering is simplified greatly by putting these in, because it means, for example, the input feeders don't have to be moved around. And bear in mind, an input feeder or an input bus can be a large piece of real estate in terms of copper, and it's not easy to come along with a split core, regular, sort of silicon steel type of current transformer and attach that, because there physically isn't the room. And if we talk about shutdown times, clearly these can be put in minutes. And I've seen many situations where the electricity board or utility has said to the installer, you've got half an hour, so they can turn it off in the middle of the night, install these, turn it back on, and then all the signal conditioning can happen at a later date or a later time without bothering anybody. So that's really the purpose of the CTA3PH product from Powertek. It's an accurate product with accuracies down at 0.25%, which is often better than the utility meter. The power, it can be 24 volts or 230 volts or 110 volts, 60 hertz. So lots of choices there, how you install this, how you power it. Once again, Powertek, the US is 631-384-3481. The UK is 01788-519911. Our email addresses are info@powertekus.com or info@powertekuk.com. My name's Derek Luce. Feel free to reach out and we'll try our best to help you. Thank you.